This simple and tasty chicken biryani is easy to prepare and bursting with flavor. Join me as I show you how to make it step by step. Heat a kadai, add 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 teaspoons of ghee. Keep the flame low and gently fry the cashews in the hot oil and ghee. Stir them slowly so they cook evenly and wait until they turn a rich golden brown. In the same kadai, after removing the fried cashews, add thinly sliced onion. Keep the flame on medium and fry them slowly, stirring often until they turn soft and golden brown. After removing the onion from the kadai, add about 600 gram of plain chicken pieces into the same pan. Keep the flame on medium and stir well so the chicken gets coated with the leftover oil, ghee and onion flavor. Add salt according to your taste, then sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. The salt balances the flavors while the turmeric powder gives the chicken a beautiful color. Stir gently, allowing the chicken to soak up all that flavor. Now pour in half a glass of water. This will help the chicken cook evenly and keep it tender. Now once stir it nicely. Then close the kadai and wait for 15 minutes. Now in the separate bowl add 1 and a half tablespoon of fresh curd. Add around 2 teaspoon of chili powder to the curd. Then add around 3 by 4th teaspoon of cumin powder. Add 1 and a half teaspoon of coriander powder. Since we are making the biryani a little spicy, add half a teaspoon of green chili paste. Add 1 and a half teaspoon of fresh ginger garlic paste. Finally add 2 teaspoon of biryani masala. Now mix all the spices thoroughly with the curd. This creates a rich aromatic marinade where the chili, cumin, coriander, ginger garlic and biryani masala blend together. Add 2 pieces of cinnamon, a 2 pieces of star anise, 3 to 4 cardamom and half teaspoon of black pepper, then 1 piece of javitri and 2 bay leaf. Then mix everything nicely with the masala. Now open the kadai and you will see that the chicken is already cooked about 40 to 50%. Now give a nice stir. Meanwhile, in separate pot, start boiling the rice. Cooking it parallelly ensure that by the time the chicken is ready, the rice will be perfectly fluffy and ready to layer, giving the biryani its signature texture. Here I will be taking around 2 glasses of soaked rice. We'll cook the rice until it reaches about 70%. Now open the kadai and add the marinated masala into it. As the mixture hits the warm chicken, the curd and spices will begin to coat the pieces, deepening the flavor and creating a rich, aromatic base for the biryani. Mix everything together thoroughly and cook for around 2 to 3 minutes in the medium flame. Now add fresh coriander leaves, mint leaves, chopped tomato, and 2 green chilies. These will bring freshness, gentle flavor, and balance to the richness of the masala. Together they build layer of aroma and flavor, enhancing the richness of the chicken and spices while giving the base a balanced aromatic depth. Now add fried onion. Mix everything nicely with the masala. At this stage, the rice is already cooked to about 70%. Now gently add the rice into the kadai. Spread it evenly. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee, add cashews, close the kadai and keep a weight on the lid. Cook on low flame for 15 minutes. Turn off the flame and wait 5 minutes. Then open the lid. Our chicken biryani is ready to serve. The rice is fluffy and perfectly cooked. Pair it with raita. Enjoy every bite with family and friends.